like a bald eagle. Oh my gosh.
Like, tell me what's up with you, like, cause I really wanna fuck with you, like, I don't really wanna substitute, like.
Oh, Pablo, it's your first time seeing snow. You don't even know where to use the bathroom. Pablo peed on the freaking deck. Or whatever you call that. Pablo, come. Y'all, look at this snow. This is insane. Walking in a winter wonderland. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My hair looks crazy, but in today's video, as you can see, it's a snow day. And my boyfriend is supposed to be coming over later, and you see my room. My room looks absolutely insane, crazy. You saw in the beginning, Pablo has never seen snow. He's a puppy. I think he turns 1 this month. But yeah, he did not know where to use the bathroom. He did not know snow or nothing. But then he kind of liked it, you know. The sun came beaming into my room like... I look like a bald eagle. Oh my gosh. Like, why do I look like this? I look crazy. OMG. Look at the sun though. Pablo, please. Right now, I gotta clean my room because I have a plate here from last night because I was eating some pizza rolls. And I have to put away my laundry that I did. I have to put new sheets and all of that type of stuff. I'm gonna clean the floor, like dust it. Because since these floors are new, you can't really mop them. Please don't mind my appearance. Tomorrow, me and him are supposed to go out. So I am gonna try to do sock curls in my hair. My hair curled at the bottom on its own. It's time for a wash. I have dandruff, all of that. So I will be doing another wash day vlog. I just procrastinate way too much. Like if I sit on my bed, I will stay sitting on my bed just scrolling. And that cannot happen. Put new sheets on my bed that I washed. I like how these sheets say that. They say like top or bottom on them because I don't know about y'all, but I used to get confused trying to put on my sheets. And then before, my other mattress was so heavy, so I would be struggling, literally, to carry that thing by myself. So I'm about to put this on and I'll get back to y'all because I am trying to do more content this year and trying to get a camera too, so that way while I'm like vlogging, I can also do my like landscape and portrait content because you know it's different when you do YouTube. You have to record with landscape. I want to post like a TikTok or like I want to post more reels. That's really what I'm doing right now, and I should be using my tripod, but I'm not because my room has some good angles, so I'll just use this until I need to use my tripod. So I made my bed. Silk pillowcase, always good for the hair. Now I'm gonna start off with this area, or I could start off with this area, but this area is really just clean stuff too. It's just clothes and laundry.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody.
this little corner. It's like a seating area and a storage, so I guess you call these a nook or something. I'm gonna get a custom mat that I can put on this part, but for now I'm just gonna leave these pillows because, you know, whoever comes, if they want to sit, they could just sit on the pillow and not on the hard wood. And I just put this Merry Christmas pillow in the background that I had laying around. This is how it looks. So yeah, usually these pillows are for the back, but just trying to do something different. And it's not Christmas anymore, but you know, who cares? I have these clothes right here that were on the bench, and I'm just gonna put them away in my drawer. And I have this stuff that I'm just gonna put into my closet. I sweeped a little bit, but I'm gonna use a Swiffer. I'm almost done with my room part. I didn't have much to clean in my room anyways. Since I'm not done with my room, I still want to get some more storage stuff because I'm definitely gonna need some more storage for my things.
2 hours later.
See, the pile is still there. I just been sitting down and not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Yeah, I always get distracted. Even now, I'm trying to think of what I'm trying to say and I get distracted. But yeah, I need to hurry up and clean because I don't want to be cleaning when he comes. Like, I still have to do the bathroom. So I'm about to go spray the tub right now. And then I'm gonna finish this pile so I could be done with my room because I'm procrastinating. I'm almost done. Like, why am I? Come on. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe.
So, does that work for you?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
If you don't show reflection, you can go home even though you do it nice.
You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop.
So right now I'm taking a break because I was hungry. So I'm eating some pizza rolls. I really love pizza rolls. Like, you could never go wrong with them. It's just so good. And these are like bagel bites actually. But I like the other Tostino's one, like the pizza rolls. Because I'm going to try some recipe with them. But bye-bye. Watching TV. Yeah, I'm almost done. Basically done in my room. Just have to finish cleaning the bathroom. And yeah. Hey guys, so I finally finished everything up. So in my room, my hair got even crazier. But much better. I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys an even better angle. So this is how my room looks. I still have those covered because I don't want it to get dirty for now because I'm still decorating stuff. But yeah, this is how my room looks. Super cute now. So ready. And I cleaned the bathroom as well. I really do feel like I did a lot today because I did. Also, this is not an official room tour of my room because I still have stuff I need to get, still have things I need to organize, still have boxes downstairs that I didn't even bring up. But that's for another day because your girl is not doing that right now. My stomach hurts. So I'm about to go get some water actually right now. But yeah, I really love how my room looks like so far. Let me know what you think I should add too, because I still need more stuff for storage because that's only 6 drawers and your girl has a lot of clothes. And yes, I do have a closet, but it's starting to get filled up. Hope you guys enjoyed this little cleaning video and snow day, because that's what it was. We was snowed in. We was not going anywhere. It was crazy outside. So yeah, my boyfriend should be coming any minute now. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. I didn't mention this in my previous video, but I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1K followers, because it's well overdue and you guys deserve a giveaway, like anybody that's been supporting me or has been subscribing to me. So I will be doing a giveaway. The rules for the giveaway I'm not gonna say now, obviously, because I'm not at 1K yet. I believe we have 869 right now, so we're pretty close. We could definitely do it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.